Welcome to this technical guide on the Rowenta Xplorer 20. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the brush motor of your Rowenta Xplorer 20 is making a strange noise, you're not alone. This can happen due to wear and tear, debris getting caught in the motor, or even a failing component. If left unchecked, this noise can lead to more significant damage, potentially affecting the overall performance of your vacuum. It's essential to address this issue promptly to ensure your device continues to function effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement brush motor, and a pair of tweezers. Start by ensuring that your Rowenta Xplorer 20 is turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, you'll want to remove the screws located on the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time here to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you should now be able to locate the brush motor. It's typically situated near the base of the device, connected to the main body by a few screws and wires. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the brush motor, noting where each one connects as you'll need to reattach them later. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws securing the brush motor in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could strip the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the brush motor out of its compartment. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now take your new brush motor and place it into the compartment, ensuring it's seated correctly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed, making sure they are tight but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the motor. Reconnect the cables as per your notes, ensuring each connection is secure. Once everything is in place, it's time to reattach the back panel of your device. Line it up carefully and press it firmly until all clips are secured into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed at the outset to ensure the back panel is firmly attached. Before you power it on, give everything a once-over to ensure no tools or debris are left inside. After confirming everything is secure, plug in your Rowenta Xplorer 20 and turn it on to check that the noise has stopped and that it's working smoothly. To avoid similar issues in the future, regularly check and clean the brush motor area to prevent debris buildup. It's also a good idea to perform routine maintenance on your vacuum to keep it in top shape. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.